Now, when Chukwu wants to manifest itself, it manifests itself as Chi and Eke. Chukwu is like the personal grata. But its attribute, na Eke, duality consciousness. And I will explain. Even in the Alpha couples, everything that make me to know what is in your life, 400 years ago, 1,000 years ago, is because of the Chi and the Eke. The binary of 1 and 0. Watch and see it. The machine language is built on our Alpha language. The computer you are pressing today, I want you to know that the fiber optics from the Facebook now is because the fiber optics converted my pictures, translated into a machine language of binary 1 and 0. What this phone understands as me now is just 1 and 0. So a series of code of 1 and 0. So can you help with that 1 and 0? Now, I will check the water. What are you representing? You are representing oneness, but also you are representing the goddess of creation. Oh my, what I ever said. If you get, this is the foundation of creation. Every person knows what's in Nigeria. If is the mystery of life. Now this is the mystery. Nigeria I get to my point. But that G cannot give life to itself. Something need to trigger it. Because a mass sign of 0 here. Abi? So where is the one? If what you go you can get thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Not to me. Oh, that's what Psalm 23. Now this, when the rod and staff comfort you, when the Chi meets the Eke, this is Eke 0. This is Chi 1. When the Chi meets the Eke, what happens? Life is created. Here now, what you say 1 million non master class ever na go well. So when the mystery of life is forming under the consciousness of duality, the Chi and the what? Eke. How did your mother begot thee? Oh, when the rod of your father was comforting us. We divide your Red Sea. You went for okay. Now, when the Eke, which is creation, meets the spark of life, two of them meeting together form a bond that can break into meiotic division to replicate fetus.